Guess what? My sweetie took me someplace else with a lot of cars. And we're gonna show you one right now.
Check out my many other videos of cars in this collection of hot rods and classics. I'm Victor Sane, and thank you for visiting Sane Auto. We're glad to be taking you with us to the Birmingham World of Wheels. We're going to focus in on one of these fine vehicles so you can get a better look. We love doing a wide variety of vehicles, car shows, and cruise-ins, so make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. That way you don't miss anything. Here we found a 2005 Bentley Continental GT. The all-new Bentley Continental GT was unveiled in the 2003 Geneva Motor Show, later that year at Le Mans, then the 2003 Goodwood Festival of Speed, and finally the 2003 annual Bentley Drivers Club meeting at Silverstone. The Bentley Continental GT differs significantly from the previous Continental R and T models. As expected with a Bentley, much of the car is hand-assembled. However, it is a mass-produced car, made significantly larger numbers. Due to this difference, the price at launch was approximately half that of the Continental R. Some of the many upgrades to the 2005 Bentley Continental GT included voice activation for the in-car telephone in 6 different languages, increased interior trim options with the addition of magnolia hide, as well as carpets and seat belts that can be matched to either the main or secondary color. Also included are drilled alloy sport foot pedals and footrests, gear lever finished in knurled chrome and hide, two-tone leather and veneer combinations, diamond quilted hide to facings, dark stained burr walnut or piano black veneer. The Continental GT is equipped with a 6-liter twin turbocharged W12 engine, which produces 552 base horsepower and 479 pounds-foot of torque. With its torsion-based permanent 4-wheel drive, it will accelerate from 0 to 60 in less than 4.8 seconds and go on to reach a top speed of 197.6 miles per hour. After the guys at Hesco tuned this car, it now produces a whopping 660 horsepower and 600 foot-pounds of torque. Who knows what it's capable of now that Hesco did their magic? Maybe one of the guys at Hesco or the owner will comment below. See this incredible 2010 Ferrari California in our previous video. We gained exclusive access to many of the vehicles at the 2018 World of Wheels in Birmingham, Alabama. So check our channel frequently for many more cool cars. Here are some of the many other fine vehicles at the 2018 World of Wheels in Birmingham, Alabama. Time for shoutouts for some fine people with some great YouTube channels who comment on our videos a lot and watch our videos a lot. Nartia Bay, RT Life. If you've been watching and commenting on our videos, you are cool. If you want a shout out too, first fill a YouTube channel with great content. Then watch and comment our videos a lot. And if you want to return the shout out, that would be awesome. Our videos.
Gracias por ver nuestros videos.
If you've watched many of our videos, you'll notice we do a wide variety of vehicles.
Si tú lo vio algunos de nosotros videos, tú sabes que nosotros haga un montón de diferentes tipos de carros.
If you want us to film your vehicle, please let us know in the comments below.
Si tú le gusta nosotros filmar tu auto, por favor, deja tu comentario ahí abajo después de toque de campaña y inscribirse. Gracias.
Ciao.
Bye-bye. Here's Victor to tell you about the wonderful vehicle in this video. Aquí está Victor para decirte todo sobre eso maravilloso auto en el video.
Today's featured vehicle is a
Shelby.
Today's featured vehicle.
Supercharged Shelby.
Today's.
And here's Victor to tell us about the wonderful vehicle in this